In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process that'll allow you to seamlessly integrate videos into your website, enhancing your content with engaging multimedia. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you begin, make sure you have your video URL handy. This could be from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or any other video hosting service. Having the URL ready will make the process much smoother and efficient when it comes to integrating the video into your site. Once you have your video URL, head over to the Squarespace homepage and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, simply proceed by navigating to the homepage. Look for the option that says Get Started and click it. This step is essential as it leads you to your workspace where all the magic happens. Now that you're on your dashboard, the next step involves getting into the editing mode of your website. This is where you can make changes and adjustments. Find and click on the Edit Site button. This will grant you access to the site's editing features where you can modify content and layout. In the editing mode, what you're going to do next is use the Embed option. Squarespace provides a user-friendly interface, making it easy to find tools like this. On the page you're editing, look for the option labeled Embed. Click on it to proceed. This option will allow you to place your video within the page seamlessly. Now, it's time to put that video URL to use. When prompted, paste your video URL into the designated field. Make sure it's correctly entered. Double-check to ensure there are no errors or additional spaces. This action will create a small preview of the video once embedded, giving you a glimpse of how it will appear on your site. The last step is crucial. After you've pasted and positioned your video, don't forget to click Save to publish the changes you've just made. Forgetting to save can mean losing your progress, so always ensure you click that Save button to lock in the changes. This will update your website with the newly embedded video, making it visible to your audience. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully embedded a video on Squarespace. It's a quick and easy way to make your website more dynamic and interactive. By following these steps, you can now enhance user engagement on your site by incorporating video content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.